Hello there, all you amazing people. So I've been working a little bit on SlopBegone. Basically, this will remove Copilot, Recall. I don't have Recall computers, so I only test this with Copilot, but if we remove it, plug it in the registry and for Windows updates. And again, I need testers for Recall. It seems to be working with Copilot. It works on my machine, so again, you know, the dilemma, it works on my machine, so it works on everyone's machine. We don't know that until people actually test it. And then if there is issues, go on to my Discord. There should be a link down below and we can talk about it. And also if my code does nothing, let me know down below and we can have a talk about it in Discord. But how to get it, I will have a link for this SlopBegone thingy. And you can basically just here, it says releases. I can create a new release because I own the repository, but you just click releases here, yoink. And we have this is a pre-release. You can see it here, or you can just click the assets here. So what you need, or what you want, is this one here. If you want the source code, you can download that also, but again, it's just a little hobby project. I should also mention this is not threaded, so everything right now, for now, is running in main thread. I need to do that, but I've been postponing working and whatnot on it because I have a lot of stuff, and all it does is the program just freezes when you run it, but it should not matter that much. So again, you click this one here, it will download it, and I will unzip it and show you all how to run this program and what it does. So when you have unzipped it, you will get into this little folder here, and all you need to do is run this little one here called SlopBegone. Need better naming and whatnot, and it will tell you because it's not signed. I need to sign it, but it's not signed, so it's an unknown publisher basically, and there's no viruses in it. You can look at the source code. You want to run it anyway. So because it's going to fuck your registry, with your registry, it's going to tingle and ningle and wingle and dingle your Windows updates. It needs access to it, so we just click yes. This is all it is. It's this little thing here. Depending on how everyone receives this, there will be a way of undoing this, I think, in the future, if that's what people want. Again, I will thread it so it becomes non-responsive, but for what it does, it's really you're not going to do anything else with it, so if the UI freezes, it's really not that big of a problem. And I've already done it on this machine. I've run these changes on this machine for 2 months now, and I had no issues. But anyway, you just click this here, and there will be some prompts. Again, this is a pre-release, this is a beta. There will be, again, depending on how it's getting received, it will be more flushed out. There will be process bars, and this is just so you actually know that something is happening. Or theoretically something is happening. Because I have updated Windows a few times. I've done a lot of things with Windows, and I have never gotten Copilot reinstalled. And I've never seen Recall being fiddling around in my system. Again, I don't have a Recall enabled PC. You see now it's disabling Windows optional future Recall here. All of this I kind of want to be shown in the UI, so that's why it makes sense to thread it. This will take a little bit of time, because it's doing I'll not say a lot, but it's doing some scalping in the background. It's going in and you know, running around, doing its thing. And you see here the main thread is So here it says slop removed, please reboot. And you can't do anything. You can't click it again. That I at least taken care of. And again, like I said, this is like the 3rd or 4th time I'm running this on this machine. I need to figure out or build in a way, again, if you guys want it, that checks if it's being done and then don't do it again. Because I just think it's all I think it does is it just overwrite the existing registries and stuff like that. So, they're already there, I'm just overwriting them. I don't know if it's filling up with new entries. Again, there's a lot of things that needs to be done with this one here. It is a little bit of a hobby project that I work on when I have time. And sometimes I have a lot of time, and some months I have 5 minutes. If you guys and girls want me to do more with this, I will dedicate time to it. So right now, think of it as a proof of concept. I need testers that are willing to do that. Again, I can't, if you test it, it's on your own doing. You know, I'm not reliable for anything that may or may not happening. You can check this code. It's under the MIT license, meaning do with it what you want. Put it in your own software, whatever you want. At least I hope you'll just credit me for the idea. But anyway, check this out. Have some fun with it.